Good evening and welcome to the oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and I'm here today to continue our practice set series on the YouTube platform. So let's start right away without any further ado. But before I start, you know what I'm going to say. So those who are joining this session right now, okay, please hit the like button as you are joining. If you are seeing the recorded version, then you also hit the like button, because hopefully I'm very sure you're going to love the content which I'm bringing. And apart from that, I eagerly look at videos awaiting your comments. I was very happy with in the past few videos I could see some comments from students. So you can put in your comments. Your comments are really valuable to me, to the complete oliveboard team. So anything, anything you feel that you found good about the video, something positive you want to share with us, or maybe you want some to pass on some constructive criticism, that constructive feedback, maybe that this could be improved, or this is what I was looking for, but this is not what I could not find it here, and this would be better if we could implement it in future. Anything is more than welcome. So do comment on the videos. It's very important for us. And also share these videos across platforms so that other students who are preparing for these examinations can also benefit from this. And the level of competition which you face on YouTube, on the application, is also at par to what you will be facing in the examination. So that becomes very important, and it becomes of utmost importance for you to share this video across platforms wherever you're a part of, Telegram channels, WhatsApp channels, anywhere. Okay. And do subscribe to the channel. Repeatedly we are seeing this data that a lot of students who are unsubscribers, the volume is good, the volume of the watchers is good, but they are mostly unsubscribers. Then that creates a gap. So I would rather request you just hit the subscribe button. If you feel that subscribing is a disturbance, you may not hit the notification icon. You will not get any notifications. But if you miss out on the videos because of those notifications being missed, so then you click the bell icon so that you will get timely updates about the videos. I have to give this short YouTube tutorial to my students, because I don't think there is some gap in understanding because they are not subscribing to the channel. So subscribing is also equally important. Hit the subscribe button right away and show your love to the oliveboard platform and to all your favorite faculties who are bringing in beautiful content for you. Let's start right away without any further ado now. Hi Meghalaya, good evening. Hi Sangeeta, good evening bacha. How are you guys? And from, okay, right, let's start. So this is the first question. I'll set up the timer. Correct, Dibya. Very good. So what is the logic here? The logic is that 43 is being doubled and then 2 is being subtracted from it, right? 86 minus 2. Okay. 21 is being doubled and 2 is being subtracted, so 42 minus 2. And 19 is being doubled and subtracted from 2, so 36 here. But 15 and 210 do not follow that logic. So option C is the odd one out, the option which is left. Next. Hi Argamita, good evening. Okay. This is not difficult actually. 6 houses situated in a colony. D is 60 meters south of E. So I will start. Yeah. So we have E. D is 60 meters south of E. F is 40 meters south of B. A is 30 meters north of E. F is 50 meters east of A. And F was 40 meters south of B. So this is B. Right here on top. And C is 50 meters west of B. So C is 50 meters west of B. They are asking you find the location of C with reference to A. With reference to A, what is the location of C? With reference to A, C is in the north, and how much distance? It is 40 meters in the north. 40 meters north, option C is the right answer. Okay, next. Correct, very good. Okay, that's very quick. Preeti tells Kajol. So we will start with Preeti. Always start with the speaker. Your mother's father's own means only. Only son is my husband. So this is Preeti's husband. And this Preeti's husband is Kajol's mother's father's son. So Kajol's mother's father's son, right? So this is basically Kajol's mother. This is Kajol. This is Kajol's mother's father, and that's how it is. Kajol's mother's father's only son is Preeti's husband. How is Preeti related to Kajol? Preeti to Kajol is Kajol's mother's brother's wife. That is Kajol's aunt. So Preeti is Kajol's aunt. Option D is the right answer. The answer would be maternal aunt basically. Okay, she is the maternal aunt. Next. Okay. Now in a row of 20 boys, this is very easy. A is 7th from the right end. In a row of 20 boys, A is 7th from the right end and B is 10th from the left end. Now how many boys are there between A and B? Between A and B, so we will remove these 10 students from here and these 7 students from here. Whatever is left is between A and B. So 20 minus 10 plus 7, that is 17, that is 3. 3 people will be left. So option C is the correct answer. Next. Okay. So now the logic is if you clearly check This is 4, this is 5. Okay, so we are doing plus 1. This is 1, this is 4. So we are doing plus 3. This is 14, this is 19. So we are doing plus 5. Okay, 7 and 8 again plus 1. 5 and 8 again plus 3. And 18 and 23 plus 5. So there's nothing but 135, 135. Just check it with speedy. So if you check, the first letter is T, the second letter is S. So no need to check these two. Plus 1 plus 3. The third is plus 5. So plus 5, 5 is 10. So T, S, J should give me my answer. This is gone. And the next one will be E plus 1 again. That is F. So after J we have F. Option D is the right answer. Next. Okay, here what is happening? Patna is in the west of Buxar. So we have Buxar. Patna is at the west of Buxar at a distance of 20 kilometers. Buxar is in the east of Chhapra at a distance of 40 kilometers. So there is 20 more and Chhapra is here because Buxar is in the east, so Chhapra has to be in the west. Siwan is in the west of Chhapra at a distance of 20 kilometers. 20 kilometers Siwan. And Gorakhpur is in the west of Buxar at a distance of 80 kilometers. So 20, 20, 20, this is 60. Another 20 kilometers we have Gorakhpur. The question is asking you, what is the distance between Siwan and Buxar? Between Siwan and Buxar, we can see clearly the distance is 60 kilometers. So option A is the correct answer. Next. Okay, T is related to Q. So this is what we are checking here. So Q divided by R, Q is the father of R, and R into T. R is the mother of T. Okay, let's check the further one also. T minus S is T is the sister of S. They're asking you how is T related to Q? It's a granddaughter. Granddaughter, option B is the right answer. Clear? Very good. Next. Okay, very good. But I think that's not right. Check again, check again. Yes, Dibya, absolutely correct. Good. Okay. The common mistake happens because you don't see the fact that they're sitting in a circle with their backs towards the center. Backs towards the center means they're facing outside, not inside. There are 6 friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they are with their backs towards the center. They're all facing outside. Now, David and Minto are sitting immediate left and right of Bhanu. So, if this is Bhanu, David is sitting on the left and Minto is sitting on the right. John is not sitting immediate left of David. Okay, so this is not John. Nissan is sitting third to the right of Bhanu. Third, 1, 2, 3. Nissan is sitting here. Who is sitting second to the left of Bhanu? See, John is not sitting here and not here. So John is here and Krita is left. Who is sitting second left of Bhanu? It is Krita. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Got it? Next. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Very common errors, Argamita, not a problem. You don't have to be sorry about this. Just learn from your mistakes. You can make 1,000 mistakes in these sessions, I don't mind. But just make sure those thousands are not repeated ever again. Rest, everything is perfectly fine. Okay. So 8 north facing restaurants named are located in a straight line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 straight line. S is second to the left of T. T, S. W is third to the left of P. T is between P and V. Okay, so we have two cases here. PVT or PVT. Both can be the cases, right? S sits third to the left of V. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Now, if I make S sit here, then T and S should have had a gap of 1% in between, which is not happening. So, this is eliminated. This is the possible case. Okay. W is immediate right of U. R is third to the right of P. P, 1, 2, 3, R. Now, we have 8 people sitting here. Who is left? I think Q is left. Q will be here. So, U, W, Q, S, P, T, V, R. The question is, who is sitting 4 to the right of S? 4 to the right of 1, 2, 3, 4. It is R. Option C is the right answer. See, you don't have to arrange this again. Once you have gotten this arrangement, you can find the answer from here only. I am doing this for the students who will watch this in the PDF form later on. So, they should understand what exactly happened. Otherwise, it's useless. Good, very good. Divya, Argamita and Meghla, absolutely right. Okay, check for the differences. Plus 4, plus 7. Let's not write plus. 4, 7. This is 12. This is 19, right? This is 30. This is 43. And this is 60. Okay, now check double difference of difference. So this is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. I think by now it is clear they are prime numbers. 17. So the next one will be 19. So we'll add 79 to 188 to get 267 as our correct answer. Okay. Clear? Correct. Very good. Excellent. Hi Bhavna. I think you would have done these questions on the app already, Bhavna. Because these students are not there, I got the same set of questions for today's class. But you were a very good student. You attended on the application that day. So happy. Okay. Very good. That was pretty fast. Letter series everybody is very keen with. Huh? 21, 16 minus 5, 16, 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is how much? It's going to be 6. We start from F. So we have F here. The second one is K F. 11 and 6 again minus 5. 6 and 1 again minus 5. So 27. Take it as 27 minus 5. We'll get 22. That is V of the second position. So option B is the right answer. Cool. Next. Okay, this is very obvious. Brothers, fathers, males. Brothers, fathers, mothers. Oh, how come are you saying B? How come are you saying B? B? All brothers are fathers, or all fathers are brothers. If somebody is a brother to someone, is it definite that he is going to be somebody's father for sure? Or if somebody is a father to someone, is it definite that he has to be a brother? There can be he can be the only son to their parents. So he's not a brother to anybody. So the option A is the correct answer here. Some brothers are fathers and mothers is not connected here. Option A is the correct answer, guys. Okay. Common mistake. Don't worry. Next. Oh, this is quant. So quant means not that I am trying to teach you quant. Yeah, Divya. It's okay. I'm not trying to teach you guys quant. But this is a question from arithmetic reasoning section basically. That is why I put it here. Easy questions from quant are sometimes asked in the reasoning section also. Good, excellent. Now how to solve this question? One is the conventional method, you use the average formula. The second one is the alligation method. Now see, we know that one average we have as 45 already existing average. Okay. After that, she has played 10 matches and scored 500 runs in those 10 matches. So 50 runs per match is the average score there. That is another average which we have for the next 10 matches. And she has a total average here. Now this average lies between these two averages. So you can absolutely use alligation here. So 45 is the averages for X matches which we don't know. 50 is the average for 10 matches which she has played. And 47.5 is the average, total average of all these matches. Now if you reduce this, you get 2.5 and 2.5 here. So if you cancel it, you get 1:1. 1:1 means this X is also equal to 10. If this X is 10, what is the total number of matches she has played till date? It is 20. Hence option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next. Good job, guys. Correct. Simply replace it and solve. So 118 L means plus, I means divided by, K means minus, J means into, L means plus, plus J means into. Okay, so this is 4, this is 144, and this is 107, is it? 117. Now 118 plus 4 plus 28 plus 117. So this is 122 plus 28, 122 minus 144. So this is 255. No, 265, 123. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Correct. Good. Very good. Next. Basic numbers. Okay, so now this is a very famous question of SSC previous year. Okay, 28 and divide by 7, you get 4 here, and 56 divide by 14, you get 4 here again. Add both of them, you will get 8. 54 divide by 18, you will get 3 here, and 65 divide by 13, you will get 5 here. Add both of them, you will get 8 again. So similarly, 32 divide by 8 is 4 here. 84 divided by 12 is 7 here, and 7 plus 4 will give you option B, 11 as the correct answer. Next, count the number of triangles. Yes, very easy. How many triangles are there? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 triangles. That's it. Next, count the number of squares. This is equally easy. Correct. So a lot of people give me an answer of 22 because they start counting the triangles and they make an error. You don't have to count the triangles, you just have to count the squares. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's it. No other squares are here. Option D is the right answer. Next. Dice. What is opposite to 16? This is also a previous year question. Instant answers, guys. Come on. What is opposite to 16? Correct. So we have 11, 14, 11, 14 which is common. So 16 is opposite to 15. Option B is the right answer. Next. Select the number opposite to 3. This is also a common sense now. By now, if you have practiced dice very nicely, you can do this also in 5 seconds. Correct, absolutely right. Whenever they ask you about a question, about a number which is missing in both the dice, and there is one face which is common in both of them, 99% of the cases that one face is going to be your answer. Why? Because see, if you look at this one, 4 is the common face. Now if you go, even if we go clockwise, whatever it is, 1 and 5 will be opposite, 2 and 6 will be opposite. So these can't be your answers. Opposite 3, there is only one face now which is left, that is 4. So we can use the adjacent method basically. With 4, we can see how many faces are adjacent, 1, 2, 5 and 6, but not 3. So 3 will be opposite to 4. So for opposite to 3, the answer will be 4. Sometimes they'll give you 3 different throws of the dice. In that, one face will still be common in all 3 of them. So that will be your answer always. Water image of 725. Correct, Argamita. See, a lot of people know, a lot of students know how to find the mirror image time. For mirror image, you simply subtract from 2360. I know that, everybody knows that. For water image, some of them know, some of them don't know. Or some of them only know a rule of 1830 or 630. But that is only partially applicable. What if my time is, let's say, 740? Then how do I subtract it from 1830? It becomes a problem. So the best option is subtract from 1790. For water image, simply subtract from 1790. But remember, your time should only be in a 12-hour format here. If it is in a 24-hour format, convert it into 12-hour format. Okay. So if it is 2340, convert it to 1140 and then subtract. Right. So 725, if you subtract from here, what do you get? So you get 65 here and you get 10 here. Obviously 1065 cannot be a time, right? So 60 minutes you will add here. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So this will become 11 and you're left with 5 minutes. So 11.5 is your correct answer, which is option D. That's how easy this is. Okay. No. Minus it from 1790. Why not 12 and why 1790? Because 1790 is nothing but 630. 1719 is nothing but 630 basically. I am just writing it in a different way. Now, what happens is if you look at a clock, I am subtracting the time from 630 to get the water image of the time. Okay. Similarly, if I subtract it from 2360, I would have gotten the mirror image of the time. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? Oh, so I think a lot of students have learned something new today. Chalo, let's move on to the next one. This is also not a reasoning question. I mean, not means this will seem like a reasoning question, but this actually is based on the concept of quant. It's okay. Nope. Yes. What about this question now? Tell me. So in Amir's clock shop, 2 clocks were brought for repairs. One clock has a cuckoo coming out every 24 minutes. And the other one has a cuckoo coming out every 28 minutes. Both cuckoos come out at 10 in the morning, 10 a.m. When will they both come out together again after 10? Correct. Yes, they be absolutely right. Yes, correct, Argamita. LCM is what we have to do. So basically, a lot of students struggle with this also. They do struggle with this. So if you know, in these questions you know, the idea is, the only problem is you don't know whether to find the LCM or the HCF. Whether to find the LCM or the HCF. Okay. So in that case, only check for one rule here. If you have two numbers, let's say like this, A is less than B. So the LCM is always going to be larger than the largest number, and the HCF is always going to be smaller than the smallest number. You have to remember this now. Okay, it can be equal to also, basically less than equal to, greater than equal to. Now keep one thing in mind. Okay, keep one thing in mind. What is going to happen here? I am saying I have 24 and 28. Okay, so my one cuckoo is coming out every 24 minutes, the other one is every 28 minutes. They are already coming out together at 10. When will they come out next? They can't come together in 24 or less than that. Okay, they can't come together in 28 also, because by 24 one has come out and gone, and when at 28 the next one is coming, this still has 20 minutes left to go. So the answer is always going to be greater than 28, and that is why you know that you have to find the LCM. So that becomes very easy. LCM of 24 and 28 is 100. What is the common factor here? So this is 4 into 6, this is 4 into 7. So you take 4 into 6 into 7. So that's 42 into 4. 168. Now 168 minutes is my LCM. So you simply add 168 minutes to 10 a.m. After every 168 minutes, the cuckoo will be in sync together. So at 10 a.m., 168 minutes means 120 plus 48. 120 is 2 hours. 2 hours 48 minutes to 10 a.m. makes it 12:48 p.m. Option B is the correct answer. Clear? Next. This is okay. 50 seconds is fine. This is easy though. Correct. Very good. Okay. 31st December 2009 was a Thursday. Then what was on 25th December 2010? See, 31st December 2010. You can easily find out why. There is no leap year in between. So it is going to be a Friday. And 25th is 6 days before a Friday. So just remove 6 from Friday. As simple as that. Friday is 5. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 7 is 6. So that is Saturday. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Cool. Next. Good, good, good. So 24th May 2017. 24th May 2017. Always go for a year less than that. Okay. Now divide this into two parts, the century part and the extra part. Century part is a multiple of 400, so the total odd days will be 0. For 16, we'll have 16 odd days plus divide this by 4. So we have 4 another odd days. So 20 odd days are here. Take remainder with 7, you will be left with 6 odd days. So in 2016, you will be having 6 odd days. Now we have entered the calendar of 2017. Start from January. So for January 2017 is not leap. So January will have 3 odd days for 31 days. February will have 0 for 28 days. March, April and May is 24th. So 24 remainder with 7 will give you 21 will be subtracted. So 3 odd days. Now add this 6, 3, 9, 12, 14. This is gone. So 3 is left. So finally for 3 we have, what is the date? On 3 is Wednesday. So option A is the correct answer. Cool. Next. Figure analogy. Instantly you can give me an answer. See, now a lot of students think for the first time that this is probably shifting like this and then flipping like this. That's too much. This is just a water image. This is just flipping 180 degree to on the y axis. This is just water image. So if you take the water image, what will happen is this will come down, this will go on the top and this will form a P. This will form a P. So these two can never be the correct answers. Out of these, this cannot be the correct answer because of this element. So option A is the only correct answer here. No, not option C, option A. See, this is where we are going wrong, no? Water image. So where will this go? On the top, this will form a P, no? See, very, very minute, very brief, little error which you guys made and you lost the marks. That is the beauty of these questions. Okay, today I did not add any question from, or I did maybe. Yeah, I did, but that is the last bonus question. Statement conclusion. It's a very easy question, but take it as a bonus question. Don't answer now, please. Don't answer now. Take it as a bonus question. Take a screenshot and give me the answer. Everybody, give me the answer in the chat box. I'll personally reply to your messages. Okay. So that's it. On that note, I'll end the session here. Hopefully, if not taken a screenshot, you can go back and then give me the answer. And I want to share some good information with you. So stay tuned. Don't just log out right away. If you visit the oliveboard platform, the oliveboard web app, first of all, if you are looking for a test subscription, 51% off is going on. So go ahead and check this, the code exam. It's absolutely very useful. Mocks, previous year question, live test, everything with detailed solutions and AI analysis. So everything at one point, you can do that. Otherwise, if you go on courses, now the moment you go on courses, there are multiple batches which are running, which you can go for your SSC preparation, right? Because now in the batches, we are focusing completely on the idea of bringing in questions which is at par with other examinations also, and not only SSC. And the idea behind that, I've been repeatedly telling you that because of vendor change, there is some sort of a fear in the students, and we just want our students to be carefree and tension free, completely relaxed, and in a relaxed state you have to do your preparation. So for that, in all our courses, the practice courses, the practice questions which you are bringing in are not only SSC PYQs, but also PYQs or common questions from other examinations as well. Maybe some RRB exam, maybe some NDA exam, maybe any other parallel exam. So that will ensure that you are ready already with all possible levels of questions. And sometimes what I do is in a few of my sessions, I randomly put in a CAT question or a banking question also. And I've done that in the past, you all know that. And I'll keep doing that. Sometimes randomly, not in every session. So that will keep you geared up and will keep you on the toes always. Okay, you have to be on the edge of your seat. You have to keep working towards it. So you can look at these courses once, or you can maybe just go for the SSC Super Elite subscription, which will ensure that you can gain everything which is available right now and even which is going to come up in future. The access to that will be given to you already, and along with that there will be mocks, there will be practice tests, there will be daily quizzes, there will be PDF notes, and I don't know what not, right? So go ahead, check out this. And also, as I told you, every Saturday we are meeting. Last Saturday also I did a set of questions, practice questions on the application. There was one student in that session. But if you can gradually pick up and keep joining these sessions, I am planning, so I'm not starting, that is why, because of the attendance. If we reach that attendance mark, then probably I'll start theory sessions on the application only. Okay. So on that note, I'll end the session here, guys. Thank you so much for joining live. Hopefully that clarifies all the issues and everything. I'll see you guys in the next session, but your feedback matters, your likes, your comments, everything matters. So give all that love to the oliveboard platform and to me. Thank you so much. That's Maru Sharma signing off. Bye-bye. Namaskar. Jai Hind. हाँ भावना 5 बजे क्लास है, यही क्वेश्चंस होंगे उधर, लेकिन वो हिंदी चैनल पे होगा. बाय गाइस.